All right, guys, this just arrived in the mail from Sweden. In fact, I crossed off the address so I can show you the letter. Leif mailed this on the 23rd of November, and today is the last day of January. So it took 9 weeks to arrive. So, yeah, at least they didn't lose it. You got to try to find the positive side, right? Anyway, on here says, perhaps this will reach you before Christmas. Yeah, not. You probably need some extra cash for the holidays. Now he's got my interest. The enclosed box is crammed with billions in real money, honest, as an incentive for your efforts. Combination locks are perhaps not your forte, but perhaps you'll find this one interesting. You can jimmy the box, but that would be cheating. And then it says there's a note to U.S. Customs, and right there it is taped to the top of the box. So kind of interesting. I am tempted to jimmy it, knowing that there's so much cash in here. Supposedly, but here's what we're looking at. It looks like 3 wheels. These almost look like they are hand punched, but numbers on the inside, letters on the outside, and this, oh, it may already be open. Nope, not yet. Okay, so these two guys work in tandem. All right, so let's try this. I'm just gonna hold it with my thumb like that. Real heavy construction here. All right, and then see if we can get some, this free spins free. That didn't work. All right, that one's binding. That one's kind of binding. More than a little. So we got these two guys here. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna push tension on it while I turn the wheel. So we got a gate and I can't turn it. How about that one? Gate, can't turn it. All right, so what I'm going to do is release the tension. Turn this dude. Still in that gate. All right, so it looks like there's the next gate. It looks like the gates are about every other letter. So let's try that. Small gate. Tight gate, small gate, and I'm just going to keep going. Maybe we can find a larger gate, or maybe I'll feel a little bit of give inside this little plunger. All right, I'm starting to get in the hang of it now. Every other letter. That's getting bigger. There is a pretty wide gate. There's a really wide gate. Let's leave it right there. And the only reason I say that is I felt a little bit of give. Not yet. A little bit of give in the knob. Okay, this guy's not spinning, not locking up yet. Let's try this guy. I'm assuming the gates are the same. Okay. See that move? I kind of moved it by itself, but maybe not. And this may not even work. Tiny gate. Tiny gate. Tiny gate. Oh yeah. Now, wait a minute. It is open, but before we open it, I didn't have to mess with that one at all. He might have been on the right gate, but what kind of luck would that be? All right, so let's lock it back up, because those two are still open. Let's turn this guy, and now try it, and it still opens. Still opens. All right, let's lock it back up. Really wind it up. Still opens. All right, so that one's not working. So it's a 2-digit lock. So anyway, I guess Customs could have figured that out. Oh, man. He wasn't lying. There are billions in cash. Unfortunately, they're not U.S. dollars, but let's see. Let me move this. We have a box full of keys as well, so that's quite a bit of value just in the keys, but I have no idea. Oh, Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, hyperinflation, $50 billion right there. So, yeah, there's a lot of money in here. 10,000 lira from Italy. That's the kind of money I used when I lived there quite a while ago. I have no idea where that's from. A Republic of Egypt. 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 More Italian money. Old Italian 1,000 lira. Looks like maybe some Russian stuff. Ethiopia. Check it out. Yugoslavia. Speak of hyperinflation. This is pre-hyperinflation. These are 100 dinar. Look at how beautiful this old stuff was. When I lived in Bosnia, you could still find this stuff. It wasn't, to pay for anything, but there was a lot of it around just for basically the picking up. Let's see. I have no idea. Oh, Egypt. Here we go. Egypt. Eritrea. Let's see what we got. No idea. I have no idea. Probably, Iran. Check that. Oh, no. Is that Iran? No idea. Egypt. More Yugoslavian money. Look how beautiful that old currency was. And this is in perfect shape. Nicaragua. Looks like China. Russia. Slovenia, more Egypt, more Yugoslavian cash. Again, there's one I don't know where that's from. Sorry, guys. Egypt, Korea. Check it out. Bank of Korea. Argentina, Italy. Looks like some more Russian, if I'm not mistaken. More. Sri Lanka. Perhaps all those others were from Sri Lanka as well. One I'm not familiar with. Some more Russian. Honduras. Probably more Russian, I think. Oman. Vietnam. China. Iran. There we go. And said Iran earlier when it was Oman. India, I lived there for a long time when I was a kid. 100 rupees today, that's, I don't know, about 8 cents. So nowhere near the billions of dollars we were talking about. More Chinese? No idea. Russian? I lived there too. Greek. 100 drachma. No more India, 50 rupees. So that's about 4 cents. Some more Yugoslavian. Ethiopia. What do we got here? Iran again. Isn't that beautiful? Sudan. I have been to the Sudan, and I got to tell you, I don't remember all those animals. But they must have them because it's on their money, right? And, look at that. Very old. This is a Reichsmark, 100 Reichsmarks from 1920. Wow. That's a collectible for sure. You'll notice it's also got some Xing out here. So the money changed hands many times. There's a lot of inflation. They crossed out the values. That also happened in Yugoslavia. So if it was, for example, 10 dinar, they would have crossed it out and wrote 10,000 just to revalue the money as hyperinflation took over. I don't know if that's what that is here or not. Anyway, there you go, guys. The treasure chest full of, well, billions. And, of course, something to me at least very valuable, these keys. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Customs, you won't be needing that. Neither will I. And Leif, thank you, sir, for sending this. And thank you, Post Office, for not losing it. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. All right, guys, I always forget the giveaway. Sorry about that. Okay, so this will be the giveaway. I am going to remove the keys. However, I will replace the billions in cash inside of the box. And then I'll also change the combination because apparently you can do that and you can figure it out yourself to get access to all this cash. You want to know how to register for the free giveaway? Stick around. I'll tell you how to do it. Thanks, guys. All right, a lot of you probably want to know how this works, and I was just resetting the combination. You can see there's a gate cut inside of each of the wheels, and we got a bunch of little false gates, and that's why it was not quite floating around as much in certain positions. So these two I've got set, but I was playing with this guy, and the reason this wheel didn't work is because it looks like this little locking ball, it's pretty light gauge metal, at some point got bent. So I'm going to have to take that out, bend it back down so that it will engage with the cutout that I've set. So just a little bending, and I think we'll have a 3-digit combination lock. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.